Hey, it's Jason with the local locksmith company. Today I'm in Riverview, Michigan, and we're adding a key to this 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. And so we got the original key here, starts it. So security light goes off. And then here's the key we're going to add. Nothing. Security light staying on, blinking, see? Okay, we're going to use the Pro Pad. First thing we're going to do is we're going to read the PIN code. It says the PIN code is 7355. Okay, we're going to program a blank key. Turn it off, ignition off. Back on, press OK. Alright, let's watch for the security light to go off right there. Alright, the security light went off. Number of keys on it is 5. There was 4. Okay. Here's the new key. See if the buttons work. Buttons work. Watch the security light. Security light goes off. Now there's 2 keys for this. 2014 Town & Country. And it's Riverview, Michigan. So we'll check the key out, make sure everything works. So let's go. Here's the trunk opening. Trunk closing. Door opening. Door closing. We're gonna we'll hit the lock button a couple times. We'll check the remote start. Remote start works. Here's the other key. Trunk open. Trunk close. Check the door opening. Door close. Lock. Hit this twice. Remote start. Alright. Here's the keys. This is a 2014 Town & Country. This is Jason with the local locksmith company. We do automotive, commercial, and residential locksmith services downriver, Michigan. We are the #1 locksmith downriver. So if you need any locksmith work done, we do fobs and smart keys and all keys lost on keyblade keys. Give us a call or visit our website at mynewlocks.com. Thanks.